wandering past some of the food now. Is this day? This is traditional food. Anything traditional desserts. Okay.
Try some?
Not really. She's going to get cracking. You crack in.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Khmer ice cream.
So, Khmer ice cream is... Hello? Explain how they do the Khmer ice cream.
All this sweet stuff.
What's that?
Beans. What's the word? I can't remember the word.
Kinal has lost all words.
Basil seed.
Basil seeds.
Yeah.
And this thing and those
and
things.
Then
they put
ice.
crushed ice in.
And then they add sugar syrup.
This is your one there he's making now. So the crushed ice, and they put the syrup on top.
Yeah.
Is that palm sugar
milk.
syrup?
Yeah.
Palm sugar syrup goes on.
And sweet milk.
Oh, and condensed milk. Doing a very good job. Oh, and they get an extra scoop.
And she's going to give the colour syrup.
Oh, she's going to put colouring on it too. Is that raspberry? It looks like raspberry syrup.
Maybe. And then condensed milk.
And then sweet milk, condensed milk. Whoa.
Fire salad. Man, bong.
And how much was that?
50 cents. I want some money.
50 cents. Yeah. Let's have a look at another one.
This is more like a topping. You know,
Oh,
like
they're
the
more
local
like
ice cream?
toppings. Okay.
Yeah.
What's she doing over there? She's using the mortar and pestle.
Papaya salad.
Oh yes, papaya salad. All the syrup. Sweet milk. Apa ceran? Chinyangat. Oh, taste of home. Give me a little bit. Oh, it's so sweet. I don't know how you say you don't like sweet stuff, then you come and have this. Wow. All right, let's keep wandering. It's a traditional game. So this is a traditional game where they blindfold you and you got to hit the clay pots. We did this yesterday at Kinal's company day. I did it right. She's got it. Hey!
You want to give it a go?
Nah.
You can do it.
Oh, little hands.
Chubby, chubby.
All right. You gonna spin her around?
Yeah, he will.
Oh yeah, oh, she's doing it by herself. This guy's telling us to stand back. Watch out. Watch out. Oh, she's got it. She's going to get it. Hey! Good job. All right. There you go. You could be an entrepreneur this time of year, apparently. So over here, this corner, this plain looking corner has become a mecca for business. So you can get permission off the local coppers, or you can grease whoever you want to grease, and you can charge for parking. When we left before, there was no one here. Now look, absolutely chockers. Whoever's done this, very, very smart. Oh, he's lost his gun. Oh, it's disconnected too. That might be a design flaw and the one that I like. Anyway, we've had enough for today. I hope you've enjoyed what we've put up. See you later.